Hello everyone, I am Anuj Nakade and welcome to LiveLaw. The Allahabad High Court has made observations about live-in relationships in a petition seeking protection by a couple in a live-in relationship. This petition was filed by an interfaith couple, a 29-year-old Hindu woman and a 30-year-old Muslim man. They were seeking protection against police harassment, alleging that the mother of the woman is unhappy with their live-in relationship and that an FIR has been lodged against them. A two-judge bench of Justice Narendra Kumar Johari and Justice Sangeeta Chandra heard this matter. The petitioners submitted before the court that their personal lives should not be disturbed unnecessarily, but they are facing harassment from the police. They were looking for protection from harassment as the Supreme Court has envisioned in the interfaith or intercaste couples in Lata Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh. However, the court had noted that the petitioners had not expressed their willingness to marry in the near future, nor did the petitioners state how long they have been in a live-in relationship or if they were married. The court also took note of the fact that the petition has no specific instance of the police coming and knocking on their doors or taking them to the police station for questioning. The court said that the interfaith couple had approached the court with mere allegations. Referring to the court's decisions in Lata Singh versus the State of Uttar Pradesh and S. Khushbu Kannimal, the High Court said that the observations of the Supreme Court must be read in the context of each case. Making the observations of the other Supreme Court cases about the nature of live-in relationships in the light of law, the High Court observed, and I quote, "The observations of the Supreme Court as aforesaid, however, cannot be considered to promote such relationships. Law traditionally has been biased in favor of marriage. It reserves many rights and privileges to married persons to preserve and encourage the institution of marriage. The Supreme Court is simply accepting a social reality and it has no intention to unravel the fabric of Indian family life." The court also stressed the need to create awareness in young minds regarding the emotional and societal pressures and legal hassles which may be created by such relations. The court added as to how Supreme Court has on several occasions observed that Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure is not meant for granting maintenance to the other woman, where a man, having a living lawfully wedded wife, either marries for a second time or starts living with a concubine. The court also noted that the Supreme Court has refused to extend the meaning of the word wife as denoted in Section 125 of the CRPC to include such live-in partners for maintenance claims. The court went on to say that if there is any real grievance of the live-in couple against their parents or relatives who are allegedly interfering in their live-in status, which goes to such an extent that there is a threat to life, they are at liberty to lodge an FIR under Section 154(1) or Section 154(3) of the CRPC with the police, or move an application under Section 156 of CRPC before the competent court, or file a complaint under 200 of Code of Criminal Procedure. The court said, and I quote, "Similarly, in case the parents of relatives find that illegally their son or daughter has eloped for the purpose of marriage, although he or she is underage or not inclined or the respondents are behaving violently, they are equally at liberty to take steps in a similar manner. But when neither of the actions are taken against each other and only a fictitious application with certain allegations, particularly by such persons as petitioners herein enjoying a live-in relationship, is moved under a writ jurisdiction of the High Court, it appears to be a circuitous way to get a seal and signature of the High Court upon their conduct without any verification of their age and other necessary aspects required to be done by the appropriate authority." With that, the court has rejected the plea to grant any protection to the couple. That's all we have for you in this video. If you'd like to find out more about the case, please visit our website at www.livelaw.in. If you found the video informative, please leave a like and tell us in the comments how we can shape our content to bring you your legal news in more engaging ways. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.